Welcome to historic downtown Florence, Arizona. This town is located in Pinal County, about 65 miles southeast of downtown Phoenix. Florence is one of the oldest towns in the county and has over 25 buildings listed on the National Register of Historic Places. This area and much of southern Arizona was once occupied by the Hohokam people from AD 1 to 1450. The Hohokam were Native American farmers who grew beans, squash, corn, and agave. They also grew cotton for textiles. To irrigate their agricultural fields, they built hundreds of miles of canals throughout the valley. Some of these same canals were re-excavated later on and used by pioneer farmers in historic times. Before the establishment of the town, the Gila River had served as part of the border between the United States and Mexico. In 1853, the Gadsden Purchase had extended American territory south of the Gila. A veteran of the American Civil War, Levi Ruggles founded the town of Florence on the south bank of the Gila River. Levi came to Arizona Territory in 1866 and had recognized the agricultural potential of the valley. At about this time, he secured a post office in the area with the help of Governor R.C. McCormick. Levi had held numerous public offices, including the territorial legislator. Florence had then become the county seat in a newly formed Pinal County. In 1875, silver had been discovered nearby in the mountains, which led to the creation of the famous Silver King mine. In the 1880s, a canal had been built, which allowed water from the Gila River to be delivered for irrigation. At the time, ranching and farming played a major role in Florence's economy. Until 1881, all of the federal land transactions for southern Arizona were conducted in Florence. Later, the federal land office was then moved to Tucson. In 1888, one of the most notable gunfights in the old wild Southwest occurred in Florence. The existing sheriff, Gabriel, had hired a deputy in 1883. In 1886, Gabriel decided not to run for sheriff and supported his deputy for the job. Sometime later, Gabriel withdrew his support because of personal differences. Gabriel and his deputy, once friends, became bitter enemies and had a major confrontation on May 31st, 1888, in the Tunnel Saloon. A gunfight started and spread to the street. Both the men received gunshot wounds. Gabriel had survived this encounter and died 10 years later, but his deputy died a few hours after the gunfight. Florence is situated in the lower Sonoran Desert. The town has a total area of 8.3 square miles. This town has the tropical desert climate of lowland Arizona, with mild winters and very hot summers. Florence receives half of its average summer rainfall in the months of July, August, and September, mostly during the North American monsoon season. I hope that you have enjoyed the sights and some history of this small historic town. See you in the next video.